Hello, everybody. This is Michael Green. I hope you guys have an amazing night tonight. I wanted to an amazing day, whichever time of day you may be watching this. But I wanted to show you something real quick about the Ibotta app. Ibotta is a app where you can actually the things like you purchase things like from grocery stores. You can actually get cash back when you do that, or you can get the rebates back. So I want to show you here with the Ibotta. I've been using this for some time now, and I want to show you how I get rebates back on things that I buy, like the almond milk. If I purchased that, I would get 25 cents back on that almond milk. Okay, and not only that, the let's say any of these items that I decide to buy, depends on which store you want to come up to the top. I frequent these stores that I show up top here. These actually have retailers inside of Food Line, Dollar General, Walmart, just to name a few of these partner retailers. Okay, at Target. If you go inside of this app right here, this Ibotta app, you actually can, earn, it'll pay you back cash back for shopping whatever participating items are in there. So I'm going to show you real quick with Dollar General how I go in here and I get things that, I look at a list and whatever they have to offer, I make sure that I look in there and certain things. So I'm going to scroll down and just show you. You basically come here, you look. These are items that I made purchase that I go ahead and select off. That so when I go in the store, all I do is pick it up if I decide to get those things. Okay, so these are some items at this time that they have off. So I'm just kind of scrolling. This is what I do. I just kind of look at the items here about the my offers. And like here, I look at the toothpaste. Here's one in particular with the grocery store receipt. I'm going to select that one. Okay, I'm going to select that one, and basically all you got to do is click on that particular one with the plus. You're going to add at the bottom. Click on add 25 cents back. And then it'll do the check mark for you. What you want to do once you get your receipt, basically, is that what you want to do, you want to make sure that you go in there and see, look at the expiration date on this, July 30th, okay? So I want to show you real quickly how you actually can get, how what it will give you back for that particular receipt. Now, there are different ones on here that, you just kind of scroll through and see what's available. And be sure when you're in the store that you actually scan that product. There's an option that you can actually check when you go back to look at the offers. If you click on that offer, like any offer in here, you can actually scan to be sure that that item is the one that you have to purchase in order to get the cash back. Just kind of scrolling through these. I'll just show you a menu in here that, let's say if you want to get this one. You actually are you want to get the Pepsi Cola mini can. Just give you an example. You will click on it. Check to be sure that it's available. That is the one. You will come down to the bottom. And you will click right there. Check product code. It will tell you if it's actually available. Tell you that's the product that you need. So I want to show you though how you go in and you get credit for it. When you're ready to select it, you select whatever it is that you have with that plus. You go in there and you hit the button to add the cash back or to add that option to it, which is down here. This one you just come down and you answer the question here. And you said add the money back. I'm just repeating what I just said pretty much, or for this particular offer. Then when it comes up, you're going to go down at the bottom where you see redeem in the bottom middle there. Click on redeem. That's where you actually put in your receipt to confirm that you purchased what it was. Okay, so I'm going to get a receipt. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I actually am going to continue here because I have a receipt that you're going to go here. So what you're going to do now is that I'm going to scan this particular receipt. This one is, okay, so let's get a good picture of it. Hopefully it comes up clear. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here. Let's get a good clear picture of it. So make sure it's not, you got to make sure that you can be seen. But I think that's a pretty decent picture there. So I'm going to go in there and click. All right, into the home screen. We're coming back. Now you want to go right there and you want to click on the little button at the bottom that says take photo. It's the whole phone still. Okay, I think that's a pretty decent picture. You just make sure you get it inside of the screen right there. Then what you're going to do is no more of the receipt. Make sure that that barcode is clear enough for you to see. You're going to click on finish at the very bottom. You have more receipts, then you actually would click on add section. But in this case, that's all we need. I'm going to click finish. It will upload the receipt. It'll ask you if you're finished. You click I'm finished. Okay, it'll say match. It'll tell you what it see. Basically, is that receipt. I'm going to click on collect purchase, and then you just wait. Guys, this is a way that you can actually earn as well. Inside of there, you can refer others you can actually refer others to it by they'll give you a link once you actually sign up that you can actually refer others out to as well. So it's going to add 25 cents to my account with this. Okay, or it's going to be added within 24 hours. Sweet, it says. All right, now I'm going to click done. Now it's telling me that was a message. I moved it up, but the message said you've added 25 cents to your account. Guys, this is a way I'm going to show you some over here. What I pretty much this is pending earnings. So guys, I wanted to show you that a way that you actually can, this is one thing that I do as far as things that I buy. I buy things, receipt, I upload them, and then get earn money back with that as well. So guys, I hope this has helped you. I'm going to put my invite code in the comment section. If you find any value, anything that I said, share this video out or hit that subscribe button so you can get more options or you get more information when I either go live or when I put up new videos. I hope you guys have an amazing night tonight. This is Michael Green on your screen. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.